The 2007 RX-8. Along with a unique 1.3L Renesas rotary engine, this sophisticated rotary-powered sports car offers aggressive styling and a surprisingly roomy interior. This incomparable ride is for the ultimate driving enthusiast. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, CD changer, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, aluminum wheels, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, premium sound system. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come see the car for yourself.